how to add a TikTok link to your YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add social media links to your YouTube channel so that you can link to TikTok, Instagram, anything like that. And I'll be showing you how to do this on your phone. If you want to do this on a PC or Chromebook, something like that, check the description. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. All right, so to get started, the first thing we need to do is open up the TikTok app. And we want to go there so that we can get a link to our TikTok profile. So once you get in the TikTok app, select profile, navigate to your profile, then select the arrow in the top right. And all we need to do is select copy link. So now we've copied a link to our TikTok profile. Now within the YouTube or YouTube Studio app, there is no way to add links to our channel. So what we need to do on our phone is simply navigate to studio.youtube.com. And if it opens up the YouTube Studio app, just keep going back to studio.youtube.com. And once you get to this screen right here, select Continue to Studio. This will then load the desktop version of the YouTube Studio website. And in the left menu here, you just want to zoom in and you want to select that little magic wand that's right under the monetization symbol. This will open up customization for your channel. And from here in the Profile tab, you just want to scroll down and near the bottom, you're going to see links. Now there should be some spaces for links here. All you want to do is select Add Link, then give that link a title, which can be Follow Me on TikTok. I just put test in there as a little test right there, and then go over to URL, and you just want to paste the URL that we copied from TikTok. So there you go. If you want to, at the end of this link, you can delete everything up to the question mark and then also delete the question mark. So basically your TikTok link is going to be tiktok.com/the @ symbol and then your TikTok username. So that's what I'm going to do real quick. So there you go. That's what it looks like. Once you have your link added, just go up to the top right and select Publish. So now when we select Publish, select View Channel, it'll load your channel. And then when I go to my links here, you can see the new TikTok link added to my YouTube channel. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.